How to close Tastytrade account. Tastytrade is a low-cost financial services company specializing in options, stocks, and futures trading, offering an advanced platform and extensive free educational content. It focuses on active traders through its brokerage. Before requesting to close your account, it must have a zero balance. You will need to liquidate all of your positions and withdraw your funds. After you have made the withdrawal and the funds have landed in your bank account, send our accounts team an email at this address. Please write from the email associated with your Tastytrade account, list the complete account number, and provide a brief reason for your account closure request. That's it. Thanks for watching.